Hi learners! Today we will demonstrate how to determine the largest version of a painting that can be put on the wall. The process of doing it will be showcased to let you experience how this is done so that you will be able to successfully answer geometry problems similar to this in the future. If your lesson is on similar polygons, or if you have an assignment on this topic, or if you are preparing for a test in math or a test in geometry in particular, or you're someone who is interested in learning math, then this video is for you. Let us recall what similar polygons are. Similar polygons are figures with the same shape but not necessarily of the same size. How do we know that two polygons are similar? Polygons are similar when their corresponding angles are congruent and the ratios of their corresponding sides are the same. The paintings here are similar. Let us look at Anna's situation and see how we can apply the concept of similar polygons in helping her with her problem. Anna has a 12 inches wide by 8 inches tall painting that she likes so much. She wants to enlarge the painting and put the larger version on the wall of her living room. If her wall is 108 inches long and 84 inches high, what are the dimensions of the largest version of the painting that she can put on the wall? A figure is given representing the dimensions of Anna's small painting. As usual, we begin by reading the whole problem and may read it several times when needed to know what we're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what we are looking for. What are we looking for, her learners? Here, we are to determine the largest version of the 12 inches wide by 8 inches tall painting that Anna can put on her 108 inches long by 84 inches high wall. What are given? We're given the dimensions of the original painting, which are 12 inches wide by 8 inches tall, and the dimensions of the wall, which are 108 inches long by 84 inches high. Let us first have a representation of the wall. Let's go. Take note that this is not drawn to scale. Now, we will put the two figures side by side like this so we can see their corresponding sides. Again, the figures are not drawn to scale. Remember that she wants a larger version of her small painting. That means that the larger version must be similar to her small painting. To get a larger version similar to her small painting that will fit into the wall, we will determine the possible ratio or scale factor that can be used in enlarging the painting. We will set up the ratios for the corresponding sides of the original painting and the wall so that we can get the appropriate scale factor. If we take the ratio of the width of the two figures, the original painting and the wall, we get this. 108 over 12 equals 9. If we take the ratio of the height of the two figures, we get this. 84 over 8 is 10.5. Here, we have two different numbers. Remember that she is setting up a painting similar to the small version of her painting. For the paintings to be similar, the corresponding sides must have the same ratios, or we say the same scale factor. So, we will test each number to see which ratio or scale factor would give the appropriate dimensions of the enlarged version of the painting that would fit into her wall. We start with the ratio or scale factor of 9. To get the larger version of the painting with 9 as the scale factor, we must multiply each side of the original painting with 9. Let's go. So, 8 times 9 is 72. 12 times 9 is 108. With a scale factor of 9, the dimensions of the enlarged painting are 108 inches wide and 72 inches tall. Are these the correct dimensions? We are not sure yet. Remember that Anna wants the largest version of the painting that she can put onto her wall. The height of the larger version of the painting with the scale factor of 9 is only 72 inches, and the wall is 84 inches high. Is it possible for her to have a taller version of the painting? For us to know this, we will check by testing the other ratio that we got earlier, the 10.5. Again, we multiply each side of the original painting with 10.5. So, 8 times 10.5 is 84. 12 times 10.5 is 126. With a scale factor of 10.5, the dimensions of the enlarged painting are 126 inches wide and 84 inches tall. Are these the correct dimensions? Let us examine the result. The height of the enlarged version with the ratio or scale factor of 10.5 is 84 inches. This is exactly the height of the wall. This will be a taller version of the painting compared to that when the scale factor of 9 was applied. Let us look at the width this time. The width with the scale factor of 10.5 is 126 inches. Will this do, learners? This number, 126 inches, is beyond the width of the wall. The width of the wall is only 108 inches, so she cannot have these dimensions of 126 inches by 84 inches. With these dimensions, the painting will be larger than the wall. Therefore, the dimensions of the largest version of the painting that can fit into the wall are 108 inches by 72 inches. There you are, learners. We're able to help Anna solve her problem. That was easy, right? I hope you have learned something in today's video. Let us summarize what we have learned. We have learned that similar polygons are figures with the same shape but not necessarily of the same size. Second, polygons are similar when their corresponding angles are congruent and the ratios of the corresponding sides are the same. Third, the common ratio in similar polygons is also called the scale factor. Fourth, when solving a problem, you must read it and may read it several times when needed to know what you're looking for, to determine what are given, and to figure out how the given information help find what you are looking for. Fifth, when necessary, modify or draw the situation to help you visualize it. Drawing or modifying the situation will greatly help you analyze and solve the problem. There you are, learners. Hope this video helps. That's it for now. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your peers so others will learn too. Bye.